Alright guys, I'm back with another little video. Today I'm here looking at the old an old iron furnace. There's a sign. There's a sign over here. Alright, this is the Laurel iron furnace. It was built in 1846 and operated until 1855 before the Civil War. So that's pretty old. 1846 until 1855. The American iron industry was characterized by numerous small producers like the Laurel Hill Iron Furnace scattered throughout the country. At one time, there were 9 iron furnaces in Ligonier Valley. This area had a generous supply of resources needed to make iron deposits of iron ore, limestone, oak forest to supply wood for charcoal, and water power. The decline of these local furnaces was caused by the growth of the railroad industry during the Civil War, which allowed the centralization of iron production in the big cities. The major product of the Laurel Hill Iron Furnace was pig iron, which was later converted to products and at other locations. But the local furnace also cast hollow and flatware such as pots, pans, kettles, bells, weather vanes, stoves, and horseshoes in various sizes. The iron man who produced them was called the potter and carried his molds from furnace to furnace, casting enough items at each site to meet local demand. So that's a little bit of the history anyway. So that's pretty cool. A little bit of history there. So let's check it out now that I'm done reading all that. These things are neat. This one's actually still in really good shape. Oh wow, what a big bee come flying out of here right at my face. That ain't good. Oh wow, check this out. Wow, this one's actually pretty cool. Old piece of history here, man. Wow. That's awesome. Yeah, this one's in pretty good shape. I like how you can like go inside and look up it. Let's walk around this side and see. Cool. So there's that little hole right there. We was just on the inside of that. I normally just take pictures of the sign, but I figured I'd read it this time. Look at the metal. I don't know what those were. This time, tree growing out the side of it. This time I figured I would read it because I always took pictures of the signs, but I don't know if that really, you have to pause the video to read it, and even then I don't know if you would be able to see it by doing it that way. So yeah, this one's in pretty good shape. And then here's this little opening. Wow, that's a nice cold, real cool air coming out of there. That feels good. Some cows over there across the road. And then here's the front shot of it. Pretty nice. Alright, so that pretty much wraps this little video up. So, came across this thing, so I figured I'd stop and make a little video of the furnace. I actually know where there's a couple more. I think I did short videos on them before, but I never made a video of it. I might do that sometime of a couple of the other ones that I know about. But that pretty much wraps this little visit of the furnace up. I hope you enjoyed the little tour. And as always, I'll catch you on the next one.